everyone. So great to talk to you today. We're going to be talking about Sunflower, the latest Z5 series, and starring in it are Ranveer Shori, Ashish Vidyarthi, and Sunil Grover. And I'm glad to connect with you all today. Hello and welcome.
Hi Shilpa, thank you for having us.
Thank you for being here.
And thank you for letting me do it from the comfort of my own bed.
Own bed, yeah. I don't think we can mess with your comfort, Ranveer. I would never dare do that. In these unprecedented times, we need to do unprecedented things as well when it comes to promotions.
I think this is the best thing that's happened to promotions actually, is that you can do them from home.
To happen to promotions, okay? It is the best thing to happen to promotions.
I love going out for shoots, but going out for promotions used to be the bane, and I'm very happy that we're doing it this way.
But have you all been out for shoots recently, considering everything has halted?
No, I think I was shooting till about April, I think, and then everything got canned.
All right, so you've been home in bed since then.
Yeah, exactly. Right here.
Ashish, you are of course in Himachal, a much cooler place.
No, I promise you, today is the first day that we turned on the fan.
I see it, yeah.
I mean, that of the first day, but so I've been till 20 days back, exactly 20 days back, I was shooting in Varanasi, and then it shut down, and then I said that I had a choice. Sunil, I had a choice either to go back to lockdown Bombay or Dharampur doston ke paas. So I just came over to my friend's place. So here I am.
Good to see you all staying indoors. What about you, Sunil, in high demand? Just making your jokes from home now?
No, I am a joke myself. I am sitting at home waiting for things to open up. And of course, I feel the scene outside is really bad, and unfortunately. But things will settle down. I am hoping and wishing.
They will. And until then, we'll be at home watching series. You guys have made one such series, Sunflower. It's interesting because so many of us can relate to this, right? We've all lived in a housing society with its own drama. Nothing, of course, as dramatic as a murder for sure.
Yep. So Sunflower is, you can say, is your atypical housing society with a atypical situation in the form of a murder mystery.
Yes, and you play an atypical policeman in it as well. And in the trailer, I just get a glimpse of your poker-faced humor, as always. And I think there's a lot more that the series will offer. So is it a black comedy of sorts?
Yeah, I guess. I mean, you can call it that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And speaking of comedy, of course, Sunil, you play the lead. So tell me more about that. You seem to be a natural in the role of, like innocent resident, but maybe you have more up your sleeve.
Yeah, I'm playing the character of Sonu in the show, and Sonu is also part of the society, the Sunflower Society, and Ashish ji's character is actually wants to make the society a culture society. So वो कितना कल्चर है, क्या कल्चर है, that once you watch the show you'll realize. तो उस circumstances में है, और मेरे को तो बड़ा मजेदार लगी स्क्रिप्ट है, और मैंने बड़ा पढ़ते हुए एंजॉय किया, करते हुए से एंजॉय किया, and I'm hoping लोगों को देखते हुए मजा आएगा, और bunch of really talented cast actors, बहुत सीखने को मिला, और everyone was self-driven, motivated, and we were also working that time after a long gap. So when things were again opening up, so वो एक अलग ही feel था. So today we got to see each other after such a long time.
Yes.
All the cast members, and it was such a happy feeling to see everyone at least back on a virtual call. क्योंकि सब लोगों ने इतना अच्छा टाइम बिताया, और जब आपकी स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी होती है और आप का कैरेक्टर के बारे में आप कन्विंस्ड होते हैं, मैं अपने बारे में बता रहा हूँ, तो काम करने का बड़ा मजा आता है, और स्पेशली जब को एक्टर्स बहुत अच्छे होते हैं जिनके साथ आपको काम कर रहे हो, तो आपको और सीन में लाइक रणवीर सर ने बड़ी हेल्प की मेरी, you know, when we were rehearsing scenes. And
He has great comic timing. And did he come up with a few jokes? I'm sure you did as well.
and मैं तो इनका शो देखता था, The Great Indian Comedy Show.
Yeah.
कब आता था वो, और as a kid I used to love that show. Kid मतलब इतना भी छोटा नहीं था.
देखिए जिंदगी का सफर यही है, सुनील जी मुझे देखते थे, मैं आशीष जी को देखता था.
I used to see all of you. Circle of life.
हाँ, तो वो सब जो एक दूसरे को देखते थे और फिर हमने एक दूसरे को देखा पर्सनली. तो ये एक मजेदार अनुभव था. And I'm happy and feel lucky that I'm part of this beautiful show.
You know, you guys are really funny. And Ashish ji, was it always like a riot on the sets with, you know, all these jokes from these guys constantly, or is that just something I'm imagining?
अरे आशीष
I do-
जोक मारते हैं.
I do want to point out one thing though. It's not. I mean, there's a funny streak to. There's a quirky funny streak to the show, but it's also a thriller. I mean, you know, like I said, there's a murder mystery going
Absolutely,
on
there's a murder.
at its core.
And
Yeah. So it's not an all-out comedy.
No,
you know?
not at all, not at
So
all.
it's,
But the comic element also definitely kind of stands out, especially with the two of you with your spontaneous sense of humor. And as Sunil was saying, you know, he said it was a great atmosphere on the sets, and especially with all the talent around, it must have been fun to play off all of them, Ashish.
So that's always the interesting part, Shilpa. You know, when you are with wonderful co-actors, then and truly, I mean, Sunil and Ranveer will agree. कहते हैं ना कि it felt like a family, it felt like a society यार. कि हम लोग एक ही society में, dysfunctional society. सिर्फ मैं रणवीर की एक ही बात से disagree करता हूँ. This is a very typical society with a atypical problem. क्योंकि I promise you, you will recognize some of the characters. You say नाम गलत है, इनका नाम बदलिए, पर ये हमारे society में है. So, you know, so what's very interesting about the way the script, and you know that हम लोग सब पहले दीवाने हुए script से, कि एक बहुत ही साधारण चीज जो एक building society है यार, और कितनी ही building society को लेकर कितने ही rom-coms बन चुके हैं वगैरह बन चुके हैं, उसको उन्होंने एक ऐसा एक you know, shall I tell you one thing? I'll let you into one secret. You guys will know a lot about the secret and then you will be on tenterhooks. ये है इसकी खासियत कि you will be gripped, as Ranveer was saying. आप हंसेंगे लेकिन डर के हंसेंगे. अरे बाप रे, अरे संभाल उसको, अरे देख, अरे, you know, it's like that, and that's the thing that the audience is going to travel with the story. और हम लोग के सब लोगों के जो किरदार हैं, उसमें हम लोग, it's an ensemble cast, शिल्पा. तो न सिर्फ हम तीन गजब के एक्टर्स को कास्ट किया गया है और हर एक ने इतनी सेंसिटिविटी के साथ अपने रोल को खेला है, मोमेंट्स क्रिएट किए हैं. इनफैक्ट आई रियली एंजॉयड दैट, सुनील. यू नो, हम सबको जो मोमेंट्स मिले एक हल्के से ऐसे खेलने के, दैट वाज रियली. डिड यू आल्सो फील दैट?
एक सीन था जिसके अंदर मैं जब स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ रहा था, तो आशीष सर का जो कैरेक्टर है उनका सीन था ये साहब का. तो अब मेरे को सीन पता है और ये शूट कर रहे हैं, मैं साइड में बैठा हुआ हूँ. तो अब उसके अंदर ना कुछ नुआंसेस ऐसे थे जो मैं इमेजिन ही नहीं कर सकता था कि कोई कर सकता है. यू नो, इन्होंने विद इन दैट स्क्रिप्ट, दोज लाइंस विद दोज गैप्स, ही डिड समथिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. यू नो, एवरी pause, everything, he had a parallel track running to that script, which was beautiful. I think that can only come with a lot of experience, and of course you have to be blessed.
And you also be a thinking actor, which I think he is.
No, and what's interesting, you must ask in this on this interview, Sunil, तुम्हारी उम्र कितनी है यार?
Yeah, the 34 or 35. Yeah, what is it?
And would you believe it? Improvised.
Oh.
And I was watching Ranveer doing that scene, you know, just coming in that. मतलब, you know, इसमें flow किया है चीज. How the written word flowed into the improvisation, flowed into the written word.
Oh.
And, I think hats off to Rahul and Vikas कि उन लोगों ने हम सबको इतनी freedom दी that we could really co-opt that character.
And you're
and
also intelligent and witty and spontaneous, that I feel like you would have definitely added something to the script beyond what was on paper.
Yes, and I think like Ashish sir said, that it's a credit to to our showrunner and our directors who gave us that, who encouraged us to improvise, to, play around with the characters and make it better over and above what the script had to offer. So I think Vikas sir had a great role to play in that, as did Rahul.
And I think that Sonu Sood joke was also improvised, was it?
Part of the script.
Part of the script. Okay, all right. Now when you say Sonu, we don't think Nigam, we think Sood. After the last 2 years, it's been an absolute ride. But I'm looking forward to catching the series. It was great connecting with all of you. I'm just scared we talk some more and we lose out on the suspense element of it. So I'm going to keep it intact for myself and the viewers. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank
And, stay safe.
Thank you, Shilpa.
Thank you. Stay chill and
बहुत शुक्रिया शिल्पा